Yes, class. How are you guys? Good to talk to you again. The app that I chose was WavePad Audio Editing, and it's the free version. It's on the Android market. I'm assuming it's on the iTunes market as well. The MacBook Pro is iTunes, but my phone is an HTC Android, so I use the Android mobile app. This program is good for recording on the go. I'm going to use it basically for any ideas that I have coming up for this project with my team. It allows me to create audio right on the spot, and it's pretty good as far as editing. And then I can send it to myself to edit times later. I chose this app because for my team I took on the role of audio editor and video editor. So this program is going to let me create sound effects on the go for the video at hand. We're going to get the script done, and once we get the script done, I can kind of use this tool on my phone to record different sounds if I need be. I'm going to use it for more of like a comical approach, and so the sounds themselves need to be real crispy. The video that we shoot, I'm going to use that audio, but if there are things that can enhance the comedy aspect of it, then this tool right here, I can record something and just overlay it to where it looks like it's in the video itself. I did download the app to my phone. It's a small program, so it took all but about 5 seconds to download. The things that are going to take storage are the actual audio files that you create yourself. That's going to take up the storage on your phone. But the app itself, yeah, I downloaded it to my phone yesterday, and I plan to use it going forward. And although this is a free software, there's not an upgrade to a paid software of it. There's in-app purchases, so I guess if you want to consider that an upgrade to the program, it's just really a couple of extensions on things that it can already do. This enables it to send WAV files. There's an in-app purchase where you can do MP3s and different things like that. MP3 files, they compress really small. They don't have the full sound that you, so if you're using this tool to make videos, you don't want to compress the MP3 files anyway, because they're really flat and they're not rich like you would get from WAV files, or you would get from directly playing from CDs or vinyl and things like that. I'm going to use this app to leverage for week 3 because, like I said, I'm going to use it to record sounds on the go. I don't have a lot of free time, so the time that I do have, when I get sporadic ideas, I like to either jot them down or things like that. So while I'm out doing other things that I'm doing, if I can get a nice sound clip, or if I can think of something funny to add to it, I'm going to go ahead and record it on the app itself, and then, like I said, I can just send it to myself. So leverage-wise, it's more of an accessibility and easy access tool that I will leverage for week 3. I would strongly urge the makers of this program for the next edition of it to have more ease of use when it comes to editing directly off the mobile device. Obviously, it's a touch screen, so when you're making cuts to the audio that you can't do in the program, when you're making cuts to the audio, if you have really big fingers like me, like I used to play basketball, so like my hands are humongous. I don't know how big they look to you right now, but my hands are really big and my fingers are really wide. So on this small phone, my hand like engulfs it, you know what I mean? So trying to use my fingertips to cut audio sometimes seems to be a hassle. So I would just kind of, maybe if they could install like a pointer or cursor that you can make cuts with instead of trying to use your finger as the cursor itself, if that makes sense. I don't have any other app in my phone that's like this program. Really, I don't do much on my phone when it comes to audio work or video work anyway. Everything is done on my MacBook Pro, and then I also have a PC tower downstairs in my studio room where I create beats and do a little bit of recording and things like that. So this app is something new to me. Like I said, I don't have anything else on my phone like it, so I'm still learning it. I'm probably only gonna use it for this week in this class because we're instructed to. After that, I'm probably gonna get rid of it because it's only a kind of on the go deal. So yeah, I don't have any other apps like it. So like I said, if you're an Android user, and it might be on iTunes too, I didn't check, but definitely if you're an Android user, the program itself is called WavePad Audio Editor, and it's the free version. Just install it. It has over 500,000 downloads already, so there's some users on it. I would definitely recommend it if you're part of the audio editing process in this week. I thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm looking forward to seeing the rest of your guys' videos because I'm going to check out some of the apps that you guys are recommending as well. God bless.